Hey guys, Ladislav here from ABAP Academy. So first of all, welcome to ABAP Academy, and just let me quickly tell you what is going on in these days with SAP systems. So currently the SAP system that we are using, as we mentioned, we are using the official SAP system right now, and from time to time SAP changes the licenses in there. Usually you need to prolong the license for each and every 3 months, but there is another license which is called ASE license that we are having inside of this SAP system, and SAP has decided to expire this license at the end of March 2021. That's the reason why we need to update this license in here, and that's why I'm shooting this video, just to show you how you can do this process all by yourself. All right, so let me show you what you need to do. You just firstly need to download the license RAR file. You can download it from our website. You will find this in the step guide where you were installing the SAP system, fully pre-installed SAP system from us. And once you have this license RAR downloaded, just make sure that you extract this file. So let me do the right click, and what we will do, we will use 7-zip for extracting to a license folder. All right, so right now, when this file is already extracted, we have here the license folder with more information, with the license file and kind of the text guide on what to do. What we will need to do is that you make sure that you upload these files to your USB drive or somewhere where you can then access those files right here inside of your virtual machine. Okay, so either you can do this on the USB drive. So this is one option, or the other option is maybe if you use some cloud storage like Google Drive or whatever. So you can upload these files to Google Drive, and from the virtual machine you can access them through your browser. Right here, you go to browser and log into your cloud storage. So whatever option you choose, it's up to you. Just make sure that you need to put those files inside, you need to access those files inside of your virtual machine. So what I will do by myself, I will just kind of copy all these files and put them into my USB drive. All right, so once you have done that, so you go and you want to access your USB drive from virtual machine. Here is a small USB icon. If you click on that and you choose, in my case, this is Jet Flash, my storage device. This is the USB that I am using on my PC. Is going to directly load inside of your virtual machine. So we need to give it a few seconds to get there, but that's basically the procedure. So let me right now kind of expand this virtual machine, because we will do everything right here. So I can see that, okay, my USB drive is already loaded. So I want to open it with files, and here is the install folder right here. Okay, so that's basically the first step. We need to load the data inside the license data. Actually, we didn't need the RAR file, but all right. And what I have done, I've already prepared the commands for you right here, which you will be able to, which you can also download from the website. So make sure that those two files are having there I'm sorry, are in your USB drive, because if I open these things, you can already see that it's already in a style that you are already used to start up your SAP server. So here are the commands that you will need to use for changing or upgrading the license. One other step that you need to do is that you need to make sure that you this license folder you copy to your download file. Okay, so when I right click on license folder, you use copy to, and you just choose downloads folder and hit select. And right now this license folder is already in a downloads folder. Okay, so this is what you need to do before you start running all the commands. All right, so right now I go to terminal, so you are already familiar with this step, and we just need to start running all these commands one by one. Okay, so firstly, highlight, Control C, right click, paste. enter. Okay, right now we need to provide the password. So instead of typing, I'm just highlighting the whole password so that I make sure that there is no typo in there. Right click, paste, enter. All right, we are there. Then another command, we need to get into this Sybase licenses folder, Control C, paste, enter. Okay, so right now we are in a licenses folder. What we need to do right now is that we need to remove existing license for now. Okay, so another, either copy or Control C, right click, paste, enter. All right, so here's the information. Okay, we are removing something are we at the end, are we sure that what we are doing? So right now we need to use the password ABAP 777, which is the administration password for administering the Linux itself. All right, so paste, enter. Right now everything is already like the original license is removed, and right now this big statement is the copying the file from the downloads folder. That's why we are copying this file from USB drive to the downloads folder into this licenses folder. So again, Control C, right click, paste, enter. All right, and just if you want to be sure that everything is in there, you can type there LSA, and you should see that, okay, Sybase test drive license is there. All right, you don't need to do that because right now we just need to rename existing this file with a new name, Sybase ASE TD. Enter. And there's just one step missing, so we just need to make sure that we are doing that with a super user. So once more, paste, enter. Right now it's working. All right, so LSA, just to be sure. Okay, right now you can see that in this file, this file is already renamed. So basically this is the procedure on how to upgrade the license. And right now we can close the terminal and close everything. And just to be sure, just make sure that you restart the whole virtual machine and start up the SAP server normally as you do it usually. So this is the procedure of making sure that you upgrade the ASE license, and how you can do it manually all by yourself. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know. I will be here to support you, or anybody or somebody from my team will be here to support you, just to make sure that the upgrade of ASE license is there, and you can use this SAP system and SAP server continually and moving forward with everything. That's all from my side. Have a nice day, and I'm looking forward to hear from you soon. Bye bye.